We're the best electrician in Dubai. Need a reliable electrician in Dubai? Look no further. We offer electrical services to keep your home and office running smoothly. From installations to repairs, our skilled electricians ensure quality and safety with every job. We pride ourselves on delivering superior quality workmanship, exceptional customer service, and transparent pricing. Our commitment to safety, certifications, and reliability. Our services: electrical services, curtain fixing, carpenter services, painting service, plumbing maintenance services. For more information, please contact us. Nojum Al Nakhil Electrical Maintenance Work. Mobile number 050-478-6311 055-819-3318 056-100-8376.